LevLeib. Thank you very much for the Shiur question. Is a wife in the state of Niddah permitted to wash her husband's Tzitzis or Tallis?
Yeah,
and whether she's Niddah or not, is she allowed to recite Tehillim while she is washing them? Thank you very much, Rabbi.
I mean, if it's not in the bathroom, I would say yeah. So yeah, so first question, if she's Niddah, there is no problem. I mean, it has nothing to do with Tallis. Yeah, she can wash that. There is no problem. And but Tehillim, there is no problem. If it's not in the bathroom, there is no problem. So. It's not something that degrading. So in olden days, we have to understand. In olden days, maybe like in a bathhouse. So they say why this bathhouse was filthy and you would not be allowed to say Hashem's name and stuff like that. So why is that? Right? Like even have thoughts of the Torah because it was filth. People did not wash for the whole week. Sometimes like months or something. And there were no plumbing, so basically the water would drain like between the boards and like to kind of like to the cistern like underneath. You understand? So all of this dirt like from the body were like mixed with the soap is actually were on the floor. So it was a lot of filth, like in there. And some people do their laundry in there. Because they have a lot of hot water. But if she wants to do it in a kitchen or something like or outside, there's no problem with that.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.